So you had a question related to where you could access the textbook. So I wanted to show you where you could get a hold of that. So if you take a look, if you just click on homework 1, click on any question within homework 1, it's going to bring up a pop-up. Let me put this inside this window. Okay, so when you get this pop-up, you're going to see up here in the upper right hand corner you have a question help option. When you click here, there's some things that are there to help you. One of the things is the textbook tab. When you open this up, it's going to open a link. Please make sure you have ad blocker off. You can see I'm having this opening a pop-up window. I need to allow pop-ups from my math lab. So you want to make sure you disable pop-up blocker when you're working with my math lab. At that point, it's going to load, and it will load to the section in the textbook where that question came from. Now, we'll talk a little bit more in class about where you can find the entire e-text, but for now, just to get to the specific sections that we are looking for, if you go into a specific problem, you'll have the option to select the textbook there.